Hi, my name is McKinnon Ray, and I'm a technical sales engineer here with Jenike Johanson. I also happen to be one of the lead instructors for the AIChE combination course for Intro of Bulk Solids as well as Pneumatic Conveying. Here at Jenike Johanson, we have over 60 years experience dealing with the world's toughest bulk solids handling challenges. Some of the industries we help our clients in include chemical, environmental, mining, pharmaceutical, and more. For over 30 years, we've partnered with AIChE to deliver this course, and this year we're very excited to be bringing it to our Tyngsboro, Massachusetts headquarters, which also includes our world-class bulk solids handling testing laboratory. By bringing the course to our Massachusetts headquarters, this allows participants to connect the work to where it actually happens. We have over 1,000 combined years of experience in the bulk solids handling industry, and we've worked on 9,000 unique projects and 19,000 unique bulk materials across the world.
We've intentionally limited the course to a maximum of 20 participants. That allows for high-impact learning, real discussion, and direct interaction with our engineers. Participants will spend time in our world-class bulk solids testing laboratory, seeing how data informs design decisions. They'll even get to see our unique capabilities, including being able to test at elevated temperature and humidity conditions to match real-world process conditions.
This new format is for the engineer who wants to connect on a more personal level. We look forward to hosting this event here at our Tyngsboro, Massachusetts laboratory. If you would like to learn more about the course, please visit aiche.org.